We are at our beautiful campsite halfway between Ouray and Silverton. We are on our way heading out right now. We're a little behind schedule, but we are heading out to do Engineer Pass.
Harrison, you ready?
Yeah, we're good.
So this is going to be our longest day. We wanted to get everything out of the way, the longest stuff out of the way first.
Hopefully we'll have enough vehicle speed or low load conditions to be able to allow the Cayennes to cool themselves off pretty naturally.
The badge, it'll allow it, and then later you can fill out where you want it to sit.
Arriving at Alpine Loop Engineer Pass Off-Road.
So we're going to air down from about 46 PSI, probably around to 22 PSI to make it a little more comfortable and have some more traction. So this is the whole hub here. All the hoses go into one right in the middle. This is my deflation valve. It deflates all the tires at once, and I can control it very precisely. We just do this, and now we wait.
Safety is the main goal, obviously, and then we leave together, we come home together.
All right, rolling out.
That might be the first spicy side, you know that is. You guys are going to walk right through it, but it's the first kind of articulation area.
Jeep did this awesome marketing program. It's really smart, actually. So what they did is they selected trails all over the U.S. to classify them as what they call a Jeep Badge of Honor trail. So you check in with this app that they have. When you complete it, they send you a badge that has a map of the trail, the name, and everything, and then you can put that on your car. It's kind of like a joke for us that we do it because we're in all these Porsches that are not trail rated, you know, really trail rated by Jeep, but we're able to do all these trails with no problem. So we're going to check in on the app. I have it.
Hard when you're like, especially when you start to come down to like, not like just gravity hit the pedal, but try not to like smash the gas when you get back down because the car's weighted and that's when all the stress happens.
Okay.
I mean, it wasn't that bad, 'cause it didn't break anything, so, but.
So what's really nice about this lift kit, not only have we increased reliability of lifting the car, the added air volume makes these cars so cushy. You know, I've driven cars with dial suspension setups and coilovers and all that stuff, and for having factory air ride shocks and this kit, it really, I'm still impressed how well it rides. For doing very minimal suspension-wise stuff to the car.
You're pretty far, but you're about to come up. Your rear tire is 10 inches from the step up.
This feels so sketchy.
Yep. Yep, you're at it. Nice.
Sick.
That felt so sketchy.
Yeah.
Oh, damn. I was going for sketch, but not that sketch.
No, but there's tracks of it sliding off and hitting a tree. Somebody went over the edge.
Walking right up to me. Perfect line, Aaron. Perfect line, let her climb. There was rocks there?
Like I saw him starting to spin one.
Yeah.
So I just on like those, I'll just lock it.
Yeah.
And know that I'm not gonna take that second, especially on the 955 when it takes a revolution or two.
Nice.
We outfitted this on Monday with the 4.556 gears in it and did a factory rear locker in it. Coming up here, I was actually following Brian in Little Piggy over certain obstacles, and it was just a perfect place to be. I could watch him go up certain obstacles, and he would lift a tire in the rear. In the 955s, their traction control system wasn't advanced as the 957s, so that car would get about like 2 revolutions of the tire before it kind of figured out what's going on, and then it would brake with the traction control, and then the car would start to climb. So I would take the exact same line, exact same speed, I would lock the rear diff, and it was wild. Just the car would just keep going. Like there was no pause, there was no hesitation, the car just kind of climbed, and it's just awesome to see a factory option that's not in many cars. It's kind of hard to get a hold of and see the actual like functionality of it when you get into a certain situation like that and watch it just does it, which is what we want our suspension to do, and our upgrades want it to act like, you know, an OEM plus kind of edition where it just seamlessly, like you don't really know it's there, it acts exactly like the factory's supposed to. And that, yeah, it was kind of cool to see that difference.
We needed a PB&J stack, and this view was pretty awesome, so we thought we'd park a couple cars up here, take some pictures, and then we're gonna keep on trekking. Every car's doing great, no problems. My car today, I guess praying to the car gods last night did the thing and having no issues. So I'm very thankful for that because feeling issues on incline is not fun.
We're at the top of Engineer Pass. It's a little chilly, it's got some wind, but man, it's been quite the day. We made it up, no issues whatsoever. We got 4 Cayennes up here, testing out our suspension. We've got our 2.5-inch lift kit and our control arms. Control arms are on all 4 Cayennes, lift kit's on 3 of them, and I mean, spectacular, absolutely spectacular day.
We did Engineer Pass, no problems today with the cars, no overheating issues. I didn't have the fuel issue that I had yesterday when transporting out here. All the cars just crawled over everything. There was some stuff that was definitely, you know, like we tapped some sliders, we took the harder lines, but nothing these cars can't handle. I'm so thankful to have the whole crew here that decided to come just on the top of the world. I'm just speechless.